Chiropractic care is the art of adjusting the spine and joints of the body, which in turn promotes good health. This is especially important for pregnant moms and their newborn babies. At Performance Chiropractic, we believe that having a baby is one of the most positive and joyful experiences in a woman's life. We are committed to doing everything we can to make that happen. Performance Chiropractic, helping our families to perform their best.